Hi guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing an AVICHE air purifier. This is not sponsored and I bought this at Gadgets All-in-One. They have an Instagram account. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Now as you can see, the box itself is very sturdy, so it can protect the product inside. On the front, it says wearable air purifier. So it's an M1 color black. It's the address is in China, Shandong, China. Okay. We're gonna open this one. Oops. So this is what's inside. As you can see, this is the AVICHE purifier. Okay. They also have these I don't know how to use it though. So this is how you can wear this. Okay. And then we're gonna open this one. The charger is included in the box. Also, with a lock, so how you can adjust your necklace. Or then this is the manual. AVICHE manual. Okay. So negative ions release tip. So this is where the negative ions will be released here. This one. Oh, what's this? That's one. Then the USB port where you can charge the purifier. Then the indicator light is here. And this is the power on and off. So there's a note. Be cautious of allergy or discomfort to static electricity and negative ions. So it's a wearable air purifier. So its functions is to purify air, eliminating dust, antioxidation, anti-aging, eliminating germs, preventing infection, regulating nerves, refreshing the mind, and relieving fatigue. It's portable and wearable design, easy to use and wear for all ages people. So you can wear it, all people can wear it in different ages. Let's just turn this on. Okay, and there's the blue light. Oh, I can hear the negative ions. I don't know if you can hear it. This is the sound. Yeah. Sure. It says you can wear it for 48 hours. So in 2 days. Then you can charge it for 3 to 4 hours. So it's a good product. Okay, I guess that's all.